price look the same?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Look. Date. 2009, it looks like.
Wow.
2009. I wonder why this one's 2 near 0. Why is this one different?
You said 2009.
Yeah, does that look like 2009?
Possibly. It says
2009.
it's really hard to tell, but
Yeah, that's 2009.
Okay, awesome.
I think that's the newest one of these I've seen.
Okay.
This is the first time I've seen one of these from 2009.
Cool.
Looks like there's a date in there too.
It looks like 2009, 12, 11. So I'm thinking
December 11th,
it's
2009, I guess. 503 Flushmate.
Oh, nice. Okay.
CSA Gerber. I'm ready to.
Okay.
I'm ready to flush it.
Sloan Flushmate.
Yeah, it's a pressure assist.
Cool. Okay. Nice.
Is it on?
Yep.
Back of it?
Yep.
How do I get it on?
You did it fine.
Back?
It's fine. That's right. You have it on.
Sideways.
Yep.
Looks on. I think it's on.